Hi everyone, I'm Error Slayer and today I am going to show you how to restore quarantine files in Windows Defender on Windows 10 and 11. If you're ready, as a first step, type Windows Security Settings into the search bar and open it. Then click on the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Click on Protection History. Find the action you want to remove from quarantine or allow, either by browsing through them individually or by using filters. Click the Protection History action you wish to remove once. Click the Yes button in the Windows warning message that appears. Then click the Actions button and select Allow. Finally, click the Yes button in the notification window that appears. Windows Defender will no longer detect the process you allowed as a threat. However, I must warn you that you should only remove from quarantine or allow processes that you are absolutely certain are safe. Otherwise, your computer may be exposed to viruses, malware, and other malicious softwares. Thank you for watching this guide video on how to restore quarantine files in Windows Defender. Don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.